So how did you get on with that challenge? Let's have a look at the solution and how I would actually proceed with this. Now the first thing to do is to download that CSV, and then we need to create the table. And I'm going to call this one teachers. Now I know there are 5 columns in this one, and click on go. So here are my 5 columns. Now the first one we know is ID, and that is auto incrementing. So tick that, and this will be our primary index. Next one we had was first name, a varchar of say 50. Surname, again, variable character of 50. Now we also had the date of birth, email, and start date. So we've actually got 6 columns here. So it's good that I've made that error because you can see what I need to do to fix that. So the next one is date of birth. Let me pop that in. So we've got date of birth. We know that that is a date. And we had an email address. I'll choose varchar, and again, let's just put 100 in there. Shouldn't need much more than that. Now I want to add one more column. So up here I've got add one column. Let's click on go. And the next one is the start date, which again will be a date. And click on save. So there we go. There's the teachers table has been created, and obviously there's no data in there. So next thing I want to do is to import that CSV. So click on import. Choose the CSV file. Teachers CSV, there it is. We want to skip that first row, so that's an important step. Leave these as they are and click on go. And that's been successful, so we click on browse. And there we have the data for the teachers. So I'm hoping you had similar success with that. If you didn't, obviously use the Q&A section, or indeed send me a private message. Remember, I'm here to help. Now, if you're feeling brave and you want to extend yourself, the next thing you could do is go back to what we did in the quick win, have a look at this, and see if you can actually print out the first name, surname, email address, etc. of each user, and perhaps even put it into a little table and get it all formatted. Now that is an extension task. If you can't do that, don't worry. We will be covering that in later lessons.